Hello everyone, welcome to External Star channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I will be unboxing, reviewing and also rating this 1 to 12 scale model, the highlight of this year, Mercedes-Benz, and this one was made by Schuco. Yeah, I hope I'm reading it right in English. It's Schuco. Alright, so look at that nice model here. Really a beautiful box, and also you can see what is already inside. Yes, so 1 to 12 edition, really it should be a huge metal and you could open really everything in this model. So let's start the review right now. Okay, so first let's remove here this paper a little bit, yeah, and good thing is that you see everything here. You can already expect what this will be and how this will look like. I was really looking forward to this review and unboxing. Yeah, this is really one of the greatest additions to my collection this year. It's 2022 and it's my new big baby. I'm not saying little baby because this model is huge. Yeah, so all right, are there any screws? 4 screws, guys. Okay, so it will take a little bit more, but now for the first time in history, let me just unbox this. Okay, wow, that's a nice blue beauty, and I selected this blue color even if they have also I think a silver one and maybe also maybe silver blue, and then I also saw some modifications like light blue or this I don't even know how to call this color, but some people obviously buy this model, they repaint it and they sell it as a new variant. Yeah, so but from Schuco originally this is the dark blue one. Yeah, and now what I will do next is that I will really remove those screws from that. Alright guys, so now it's time to hit the like button. Yeah, so that's what you always do before I remove the box. Before you see the model, please hit the like button. Okay, and now we can finally make it. So 300 SL, that's this Mercedes-Benz, and okay, some screws. How heavy it is. Okay, should I lift it just like this or just maybe Alright, I think I can do it. Yeah, so a lot of paper, but anyway. Good, so now upside down. Cool. And I don't need this box anymore, so I just put all the screws in the box. Alright, so we had it in such a paper here. It's quite beautiful and big, and the color, yeah. So one thing I must admit, yeah, so when I bought this model, I was really deciding between the silver one and this dark blue one, and I like this color a little bit more, but then what I didn't like were really the wheels. Yeah, so you have such a thing here, maybe you should see it on this camera. This thing I don't like at all. What is it actually? It looks like it's supposed to kill somebody, or some additional knives here. I don't know why it's there, but the silver one had much nicer wheels. So this is really the only disadvantage on this one. Yeah? So I don't like it, but the rest is beautiful. And also the interior, and you will see it later. This is the light brown, or maybe, yeah, the regular skin color. What is it? Cow skin. Yeah, that's what it is. It's not colored, it's just the regular skin from cow. Alright, so now maybe also I should remove here those tapes. I hope they will not leave a lot of glue on the paint. Yeah, sometimes it's happening that it's really leaving some marks and it's not really nice. Yeah, so but here it looks like it will be all okay, not leaving anything. And it's really huge. Yeah? So look at this in the front. We have this license plate saying NSL300. I'm not sure what N stands for, but SL300, that's of course this model type. We have nice framed headlights. Also, this bumper is shiny. We have also nice turning indicators. Everything is precise, and my favorite thing is that this grille is perforated. Of course it is, yeah. So Schuco, thank you for that. When we check it from the side, oh, I see maybe a little bit. Look at that here, yeah. So when I press it, okay, it's there. It's fixed, yeah. It was just a small piece that was not really stuck inside. I had to push it a little bit. Here we have this nice air outtake, yeah. So really nice, and with also those lines here. And then we have, oh, the door handle. Can we actually somehow do something with this? Because the door here, we have the GULLWING door, GULLWING or GULLWING. Sorry, and I'm really not pronouncing it well. Yeah, it's GULLWING door. And okay, let's do it slowly. I don't want to break anything. Okay, very slowly, gently, step by step until we are done. Look at this interior. Look at it. It's so nice. The gear stick. It has a manual. Oh, well, this manual gear stick, that's something. And the dashboard, I love it. Oh, look, it's 300 SL there. Really detailed. Wow. And the steering wheel, of course, connected to the wheels, yeah. So when I turn the wheels, it's turning the steering wheel. Of course it is. One unusual thing, the rear view mirror is here on the bottom attached to the dashboard instead of being attached to the windshield. Okay, so we have also the wipers here. They move just a little bit and not fully functional. And what about the antenna? Is it retractable? I hope so, yeah. All my good models have it. It's so tiny, I can't really pull it. Just give me a second. Give me another second, and maybe I will use my scissors. I'm sorry to do that, yeah, but maybe there is no other option how to. I should have tweezers, but I don't. Okay, maybe this will take a little bit more time and effort. Or maybe you just can't do that, yeah? So maybe I was expecting this to be functional, but it is not, yeah? So when I check it now on this camera and zoom in, probably it's not possible to pull it out. Okay, my mistake, my expectations were not met. All right, then next, this side view mirror, only on one side, on the driver's side, and let's again. Oh, here it's much easier on this side, and look at this mechanism here. Maybe I should really show it to you from a closer view. Look at this mechanism. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful, isn't it? Love this model already. One of my favorite I told you this is my model of this year, 2022. It's this one, definitely. Okay. And I also paid quite a big price. It was I use, of course, all the discounts and Black Friday and everything possible to get the lowest price possible, but it was still expensive, and more expensive than most of the models I reviewed this year. And I'm not saying that it's always like the more expensive it is, the more I like it. It's not true, yeah? But I was waiting for this model for quite some time. Now I have it and I love it. Okay, so let's continue here. In the rear, an SL 300 SL. Okay, here we go. So nice exhaust, by the way. And before we open the trunk, let me also show you the undercarriage. Oh, completely flat but different color. Unexpectedly, it's something between gray and a brown. And the wheels. What about this? Oh, what's happening? Okay, suspension. Is the suspension working on this one? Oh yeah, baby. The suspension is working as well. Amazing. Yeah, that's a good feeling. Yeah, when I expect something and it's happening. Okay, then let's go here to the trunk part. All right. Oh, spare tire. Very nice. Can I pull it out? Can I pull it out, please? No, it seems like... Let me just rotate it 700 degrees and maybe... No, 1000 degrees. No. It's not coming. Okay, let's leave it there. Maybe it was not designed for being pulled out. But we have also some other things here, like, what is that? No golf clubs, actually. Yeah, so where is the space for my golf clubs? Actually, here you can see this big suitcase inside. Yeah, there is a huge suitcase, and probably you can fit everything into that one, because here all the space in the trunk is occupied by the spare tire. Completely unexpected. All right, so can I actually move here? Oh yeah, yes, baby. I can do that. I can move the seats there and back. Really a nice feature again. Again, I'm surprised, positively surprised, I must admit, positively. Okay, wow. And this is probably the loudspeaker here. Yeah, so I hope so. It had a nice radio with multiple loudspeakers. This is probably one of them. I should also tell you that here we have this nice part of the window that probably you can also open slightly. No, maybe. I don't want to break it. No, I don't want to break it, but obviously you can move it there and back, open it a little bit, yeah, so it's functional. But maybe I should also not touch it with my bare hands. I should not touch the glass. Oh, thank you for reminding me. Never touch the glass with bare hands, without gloves. Okay. And now this part, that's the engine itself. How do we open that? I have my favorite Mr. Opener, and let's do that. Okay, so not here. Okay, here we go. So this is how we open it. And this is this nice engine with all those details. Look at that. We have some nice warning stickers. We have the engine. We have the fluid compartments. We have, oh, really, it's quite detailed, yeah, I must say. They did a good job. And sometimes when I buy resin sealed models, I'm disappointed because I can't see the engine. But here, obviously, everything is in place where it should be. You can check it out, you can see it, and this is why it's worth paying all the money, because then you can really observe those nice details here, and it's lovely actually. And I should also not forget, there is this small part, then you can just somehow plug in here, and it will hold the whole hood in this position, so it will not fall down. Yeah, so I also hope that when I have my car on display like this, that after some time here this mechanism will still hold firmly in place and it will not go down as on my other models. Yeah, so at the moment, really beautiful. I will actually place this model in the shelves next to my other Mercedes-Benz with gullwing doors, and probably they will really, it's a beautiful addition. Yeah, so one more time, look at that. Yeah, so amazing model, amazingly done. I really love it, and guys, I hope you also enjoy it, because if not, then probably you are not the right collector. Yeah, everybody should be really impressed by the quality of this model. It's impressive, yeah, and this is one of those that I will probably never want to sell unless I'm in some crisis, financial crisis, then maybe I would have to, yeah, but until that time, and hopefully it will not come, I'm keeping this one in my collection, and it's just beautiful. It's so great. I'm so grateful I had the chance to buy this one. And okay, I think that's it. Now let me know in the comments how you like it, if you would buy it, and maybe what you don't like about this model. The only thing maybe it's this antenna, the small thing that I can't pull out. It seems like a just very small, tiny issue, but other than that, it's 100% okay. My rating will be really high. So now, only the final rating. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.